And here we have a dumpster for the old roof system. And the crew is actually trying to optimize the location of the dumpster so that they can literally drop the old roofing system straight into the dumpster without having to carry it around. The old roofing system is coming off. And this may hit the ground here for a little bit, but that other side is definitely going to go straight into the dumpster. And that was the intent. The old roof is going to go straight into the dumpster. Nice shot.